Hey ladies, I just wanted to pop in here and show you how to access all the graphics for Facebook parties and videos. You'll log into your Fellows back office. Oops, that's my customer account. There we go. So basically what you do is you log into back office and you go to Digital Library on the left, and you should either set up a register or you can just enter your password and username. And then once you're in there, this is the tricky part, is finding things sometimes. So what I like to do, let's see, videos, there's like a videos folder. I would click that. And then you want the product ones. And you also want a few other ones too. So let me show you. Okay, so you want SS20, which is the spring summer collection. And okay, I do social size because they're a little bit smaller, and then they'll pop up and you can download these by just selecting each one, and then you can do at the bottom select bulk and you'll say download. So there are all of those that I use in parties. And then to go back to like the home page, okay, so to go back to the home page, you go to the resource, you can click the little house that I just clicked, and then more videos that we want are kind of like the Fellows videos and the ones we use for parties. So I'm gonna see, I think it's in this folder. Okay, yeah, so the one with Liz and the one she speaks about, I think is this promotional video. Let's see. Yeah.
Had a nice cushy
Yep.
corporate
Okay,
job.
so that's where you find it. You find it under Video, Fellows Promotional Videos, and then you click the Seiko Designs promotional video. This is the Uganda one when you do the Uganda post. This is another great video, the Seiko Way. That's the one I used in the past few years. It's a 3-minute video that explains Seiko. And then the Seiko Opportunity I don't use as much, or the Fellows Community. So this one, Uganda promo, Seiko Designs promo video are the two that I would download. So you just check them in the top left corner and then you'll press download and it should download to your downloads folder on your desktop. So hopefully that helps you just figure out resources. So again, the path was you're home and you click videos, and then it has 6 subfolders and you click Fellows promotional videos, and then I think that was it, right? And then you should see the ones for your Seiko parties. Yep, right here. So those two. All right, ladies, hope that helps you. Bye.